Hello, I am here for a lecture on a number system, and my main motive of this lecture is for those aspirants who are preparing for different competitive exam. This is a common content of any competitive exam. So before wasting time, let's start number system. Now, before getting into detail, let us first see from the zero level what is a number. What is a number? Now, number is something which can be expressed in the form of digit. Number are those which can be expressed in the form of digit. Now, example can be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. So I mentioned it here. I have mentioned it here 9 because this is just a single digit. So this single digit, these are digit, and this digit is expressed in terms of this numbers is expressed in terms of digit. I mean, so digits. So these are all single digit. Now 0, it is called insignificant digit, and the remaining number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, these are significant digit. Now why 0 is insignificant digit is because 0 has no value. 0 does not have any value, but the numbers 1, 2, 3, it has a number, I mean it has a value. 0 has no value, we all know that, but 1, 2, 3, 4 this has a value. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, it has a value, so these are called significant digit. So I hope this is clear. Now let's see what are the types of numbers. We have different types of numbers like even number, odd number, real number. So we will look all those types of numbers one by one. I have said in 10 different types of numbers, and those 10 types of numbers will be enough for solving questions based on competitive exams. So let's see all those types of numbers one by one. First, let's start with the even number. Even number are those numbers which like better to look from the example point of view. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So to make this remember even number, you just have to remember that it will always start from the 2. It will always start from the 2, and 3 not included, 4, 5 not included, 6. So 1 will not included, and the rest number will be, I mean, and the next number will be included, like 2, 3 not included, 4, 5 not included, 6. But the starting will be 2, not 1. Just remember, the starting number will be 2, and the next number will not be included. The next number will be included. So even number, it's very easy to remember. Now odd number. That also odd number, same as even number, but the only difference is that it will start from 1. Same difference, so means same, but it will start from 1. Odd number will start from 1, even number from 2. That is the only difference. Now 2 not included, 3, 4 not included, 5. So we can even say that the odd numbers are not involved in the even number. So you can see the difference. 2 will not be here and 1 will not be here. So odd number and even number, the numbers which are available in the odd number will not be there in the even number, and the number which are available in the even number will not be available in the odd number. So the number will start from 1, 2 not included, 3, 4 not included, 5. and so on. So these are called odd number. Now next, prime number. Now let's see what is prime number. Now prime number are those numbers which are multiples of 1 and itself, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. So these numbers, prime numbers, are those numbers which is a multiple of 1 and itself. 1 and itself, like itself. 2 ones are 2, 1 twos are 2, 1 and itself. 1 twos are 2, 2 ones are 2. So multiples of 1 in itself, those numbers are prime number. I hope it's clear. Next, let's see rational number. Now rational numbers are those numbers which can be expressed in the form p by q, or it is in the form of fraction, you can say. Let's see an example. 1 by 2, that means it should have numerator and denominator. Numerator, 1 is a numerator, 2 is a denominator, so it will have numerator and denominator. And so on. These are rational number. Numerator and denominator will be involved. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. I hope it's clear. Now irrational number. Irrational numbers can be written in the form of square root only. Irrational numbers are those numbers which is in the form of square root, like root 2, root 7, root 6, root 5, and so on. So these are irrational numbers. Now in irrational numbers, you have to remember the numbers which has a square root will not be included as irrational number, like root 4. Root 4 is can be written in the form 2 into 2 is 4. Now if it is in pair, it will come out from the root. Now it is 2, so the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 4 is 2. You can calculate it. If you get the square root of any number, that cannot be an irrational number. Keep in mind that cannot be an irrational number. Now we got square root of 4 is 2. Can be written in the form 2 by 1. 2 by 1. It can be written in the form 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is a rational number. So it's a rational number, right? It is a rational number. So irrational numbers, if you have a square root, if you can calculate the square root, that number can be a rational number. It's not necessary that all the square root number is irrational. If we are able to calculate it, that comes under rational number. If those numbers, this root 2, root 7, this does not have any square root, we cannot calculate it so easily. So these are irrational numbers. Next, real number. Real number. Now let's see real number. Real number is a combination of both rational and irrational number. Real number are those numbers which is a combination of both rational and irrational. Just an example. 1 by 2 is a rational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. 4 by 6 is a rational number. Root 7, it is an irrational number. So the combination of all these numbers comes under real number. Next, we have composite number. Now, what is a composite number? Composite number are those number which should have at least one factor other than 1 and itself, like 4, 6, 8, and so on. Now, 4. 1 4 times is 4. 4 1 times is 4. But other than that, any other multiples of 4 is there or not? It's 2 into 2 is 4. So, this is a composite number. At least one factor. If it is more than 1, that's okay, but at least one factor should be there other than 1 and itself. 1 and itself means 1 and itself, it will be there, but other than that, one more factor should be there. One more factor should be there, like 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. And here 6 1s are 6, 1 6 are 3, 1 and itself is here, but other than that, is there any multiples of 6, any factors of 6? 2 3s are 6. So these are composite number. This comes under composite number. Next, integers. Now, integers are those numbers which will have both positive and negative numbers, like -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this number you can see you have positive, you have negative number also, and you have positive number also, and 0 is also included as an integer. 0 is both neither positive nor negative. But we are not going to discuss that the particular 0 about that topic. We will not be discussing here. But -5, -4, that integers are those numbers which will have positive and negative numbers. Let's see the next number. That will be, we are done with the even number, odd number, prime number, rational number, irrational number, real number, composite number, integers, natural numbers. Natural number is very common. Natural number are infinite numbers. Except 0, all numbers are natural. Except 0, all numbers are natural. So you can easily write example 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go on till infinity. So those numbers are natural number. Next, whole number. Whole number are those numbers which will start from 0 and followed by natural number. Start from 0 followed by natural number, like 0. Natural whole number will start from 0. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the whole numbers are included in the natural number except 0. 0 is not there in the natural number. And all the natural number are included in the whole number. All the natural number are included in the whole number. But all the whole number are not included in the natural number because 0 is not there in the natural number. So all the whole number is not included in the natural number. But all the natural number are present in the whole number. So these are all the types of numbers. These are all types of numbers. I hope it is clear. Thank you.